Yo. Alright, so today is May 29th, 2025. I took some hypothetical trades today. So I was down negative 150, negative 150, then negative 100, and then plus 150. So let's see if we can. I can't really tell you where exactly I took these trades unless I look at the video of where I was trying to click to simulate where I took the trades because my Private's still not working. So let's go into the simulation. Let's see if we can find where I was clicking and see if where I clicked didn't match up with what I wanted to see. Alright, so price started to sell off at the open. Alright, with a 1 hour level. Price broke below, came back down, gave us this here, came up here, sold. I think from there, price just sold off, right? Never actually came back up. We had a nice sell here, stayed below that 1 hour level and sold off. So let's look at this level real quickly, right? So my thing is trying to see it from the different tick charts. It does feel a bit overwhelming. This is 5955. Alright, so 5955. We're gonna put this like this. Let's do other notes. So 5955. 5955. So this is it, I believe, right over here. Yeah, right. So 5955 is the 1 hour level. You see that we got below it. We stayed below it. So we had this sell here. Price came down, sold again, and then at the open it just sold off, right? So now let's look at it from this perspective here. See here, bam, 29, 30, right? So price sold one, and then we have two, right? So boom, boom. So this could have been an entry right here, right at the open. About 6 points. Sheesh. No, it had to be based off of this candle, right? Unless we get one that's early. That. So about 6 points, and then we'll be trying to get as much as we can. So this is about 11 points. So 6 points about 300. So this should be about 600. And then a grand right there, right? There is no real buying to stop us from coming back up from these levels here. Nothing here. The next buying sets down here, right? And as you can see, that price came to a halt at the next buying set right there, right? So we zoom out. Alright, same thing. Next buying set for this one's a little bit lower. This is probably where I would have want to aim for. Alright. So we have from here to there a nice 36 run. What time is this? It's about an hour run. Alright, so let's see what the tick charts look like on the lower time frame. So here we go. So we do get one of the ticks here. So maybe we would have entered on that one. I like the 10 tick. I like the 10 tick chart. We also get it on the 5 tick chart. All right. So we got this one here, right at the open, right? So Yeah, so let's say that we did get in like that. Bam. Maybe have our stop loss here. Um, right, because it just seems safer. All right, so it's about 6 points, and we run this bad boy down to this for 37 points. For 37 points. That would have been a nice trade, all right? 37 times 50. And I would have been happy with that. More than halfway of what we wanted. We get 1, 2, 1, 2. Then we get the buying and the selling come right after. Even that one there. So at that level, right? All right. So we're looking for my entries. So we sold off from that level there. And then now I'm trying to see, is there a way that we can go long right here? This is 29th, right? Yeah. Nope. Oh, we do get a little long. Right, we got this right here. This is what I missed. I missed this. We had a 5-minute area. Right, boom, bam. I missed this reversal. This would have been a nice long. We have 2 candles that agreed. Enter it right away. Enter it right away. I think it's this one right here. I think. This is 9:49. Let's see, what time frame is that? Yeah, 9:49. All right. Right here. All right. Bam. Bam. Right there. So we enter here. All right. And we run that bad boy up. It's about 14 points. And we run it back up to where the selling was here. Boom, 14 points. I was trying to get this short here, but nothing. And I mean nothing gave me. Well, I did have this. I had this right here. So we had buying, buying, and then sell. So that could have been my entry. Right, I missed that. I didn't see that. I didn't make sense of that. So yes, I could have run this up from that level, but this here would have been a nice trade. Boom. As long as I didn't get stopped out, probably would have. Yep, would have stopped me out to the fucking T. And then run it back down. Alright. And then would have to hopefully try to re-enter here, but I would have missed that. Run it down. This was a nice trade. So let's look at the video. Alright, because I saw that happening. But I just wasn't prepared. I was just doing way too many stuff. You can see prices going to that level now. And look at this shit. So many distractions. Alright. Here goes the buying coming in. Here goes the buy. Bring it back a little bit. Buy. And at this time, I'm about to send this screenshot over, so I'm missing this here. This was supposed to be a mid-section drop. Alright, looks like I'm trying to prepare for a potential sell. Just waiting for the red candle, but I missed this buy thing that we had. So I'm noticing that these might just be too close, because it's coming up. You see, you got buying again coming in. We got the buy, Buy, trying to step in, trying to step in. Buyers trying to step in. And just can't. There it is. Boom. Enter. Right? Enter the trade here. At whatever this is. 39. And then see how quickly price dropped? Price did not play around. Look at that. After that retest, price was just done. 56. Boom. 39. Drop. Wait, and gone. Yep. There we go. We had 10 points almost. There we go. Going to hit that low again. Alright, so how do I declutter this? This is a lot of information is what I'm noticing. Right? Because price eventually does get down there. Right, there's a little pullback and then just drops. Alright, so it's just so much information that's fighting for my attention. Alright, so how do I get down there to not have so much stuff fighting for my attention? So I tried this drop here, got stopped out. Price eventually started dropping. Tried this one here, got stopped out. What was that one? Okay, I tried a short here. Right, we had a short there and a short there, so it's not really like the best setup. Then we also above a buy, so I shouldn't have been in that trade at all. Right, trying again. Right here to go short. We do get this to actually make up all of the loss. I'm aiming for down here. You know what happens? Price reverses, stops me out, and then drops. Holds, and then I think we'll go up one more time. Hit that level. You can see there's nothing there. Just buying, and it fails. And then price just says, okay, let's continue lower. Then really eventually drops. We're going into the noon session. It's really holding this here. Eventually it pukes and it hits this level here, and then it reverses. You're gonna see buy and Catman step in. It was buy right here. First buy, second buy. We're above. Let's get above that. Sell. Okay, we got a buy there. Now on the 20 tick chart, and that's it. After that, that's all she wrote. Price actually just moved back up. Opportunity there to bring price back up to that. That's a nice reversal. Alright, and then price, I don't know what price did after that. Then price just stayed sideways until the end of the day. So how was that? So yeah, -4 plus 50 plus 150, so I'd be down negative 250 bucks. Getting bad trades, so I got to get trades that is going with the flow. So I may put this here. No, not that one. I may have this here, and then guess it didn't really too much matter, huh? Yeah. So I may have that like here, so I can see where I'm executing and have my main chart this on the opposite side with prices labeled, so that way I'm only looking at just these four charts, and I can see where ES and NQ is. ES and VIX are on the other ones, but just looking at that, so I can manage the trade. I can zoom out and manage the trade better. I think that's what I'm going to do. Is just trying to find what works well without so much information overpowering my thought process. It's the thing. And this is basically just this here. Right, and then we'll put this at 10, 20. Alright, and then I'll have it like this. Right, I could add another one that has like the actual trade that I'm trading, but I could just glaze over to the side and just see what I'm working with and just add it as I go. I would just keep it as a 2-chart system without because there's so much information, right? We'll just do this and I have that to work with, right? I already have so much information with my drawings, so I think I'm gonna have it like that. Right, I have my execution here, but I'll be looking at the right side for the most part for my levels. As price reaches levels, then I go from there. I may even just do it like this. Because the levels are more important. And once I have my levels, I can move this out of the way and look for my entry. Alright, so I think I'll do it that way. I just want to just reduce the noise that I see or that I get. That's pretty much it, because it can be a lot. Alright, so